What's up, beautiful people? It's your boy again this evening, just like I forecasted just some minutes ago. I'm here again with Great Britain pound, Japanese yen. Wow, look at the market. The market is smiling. So that's it. The market is kind of smiling. So when you look at it, you'll know that this market is an uptrend. I've done this for like 2 weeks now. No. Yeah. No, last week I did this. Last week, I'm sorry, last week I did this. So when I did it, I forecasted that should the market want to bounce, it's going to bounce somewhere here, but it's still an uptrending market. You get it? So I said it last week that should it want to bounce here too, it's going to bounce somewhere here, but it's still an uptrending market, which it did. So I've analyzed this market like a week before. That's it, because at least I analyzed this market like 2 weeks now. So, but as we speak, the market is still going our direction. It's still going to our direction. It's still an uptrending market. So, as I am now, I am still in the market. I am still in the market. I've not closed it. I'm in the market. Just let me know what you think, from your own perspective. Let me know what you think will happen. So let's just look at some little things that the market has done in the past and what really solidified that it's going uptrend this week. So let's see how it goes. It's rage up. Great Britain pound took the strength and it took the market up, it took the momentum up, and it started going bullish for many reasons, because the market was swinging up, but it got to a stage, the market after like ticket, the market was climbing up before, but it got to a stage, the market after do some swing, which is doing right now, a swing up trading. So this is what I'm seeing. So please just let us look at it a little bit. Let's just look at it a little bit. Let's expand it and look at what's going on. There are heads and shoulder here. There are many things here. There are hanging man's hammer here. There are heads and shoulder. There are things that I could see here, that's really define this market that is going up. There's triple, tweezer top, tweezer bottom. There's one white soldier, one black crow. I could see all that, So on each point that I'm seeing all this, the market is taking a specific action. The market is not just waiting to wait for this or that. Apart from the trend line, apart from some things, this market is really doing exactly what we believe it's going to do. So let's just go back a little bit. Let's get down to business. So we got to a state the market came in this very place at this very point. This is March 18, 2018. The market starts making some little move, showing its potential in the market. It starts moving, it goes. Let's just come from this place. It drops from 20th February 2020. It drops down. It's still dropping. It drops till like March 18, 2020. So let's just look at how many pips is there. Wow. Japanese yen, Great Britain pound, Japanese yen. So it means at that era alone, I'm coming. Jesus, it means at that era alone, it moved more than 200 pips. It moves more than 200 pips, at this very era alone. It's a good thing. It's really, prove itself, which is a good thing, but as it is like this, thank God the market moved the way that we wanted, but from there it started going bullish again. It got to a stage, it formed some momentum. It went bearish again. This was May 18, 2020. From May 18, 2020, it took another direction up, with some indications that the market went up, but the market wants to reverse. It reversed. So I'll call this a mountain heel, a mountain top. It forms a kind of mountain top, mountain heel of a thing. And let me just remove this ones. Okay, let me remove this ones. Yeah. Okay, so the market forms a kind of mountain top, a mountain hill. Okay, let me remove it. Okay, sorry about that. So the market form a kind of mountain top here. So from the mountain, it keep climbing up because the mountain was not fully solidified. The level was galloping, so it keep climbing up. It keep climbing up. It keep climbing up. Keep climbing, which is a good thing, But here we are right now. The market climbed up to this very stage on the 1st of September 2020. The market got up to that state. So the market is going to complete, it's going to complete some few stuff. So the market is still going up. You understand? So the market is still going up before, I don't know, but from what I could see here now, I am in the market. I am buying at the moment, so I don't know what you see, but please just let me know what your own take is on this Japanese yen, Great Britain pound, Japanese yen. But from what I can see, from what I can analyze, from what I can forecast here, it's an uptrend. The market, should it want to reverse, I said it before and it did that. Should it want to reverse, it's going to reverse within this range, but it's definitely going to come up and it's going to break this very range. And once it breaks this very indication, then it's going up. This indicates that the market is up. It might swing to some side, but it's an uptrend in market. Which is it? I don't know what you think about it. I don't know what you see there, but please let me know what you see there. Please let me know what you think about it. Please let me know what's going on, what you see, and what you believe is happening in this market. I really appreciate that if you could do this for me. You get it? So, people, what is here now? What I can say, what I can trade, what I am trading. I've been in the market, but what I am trading at the moment and what I can trade at the moment, at this very moment of this very action in this market, it's a buy. This is what I call it. It's a buy. It's smiling. The market is even smiling to us. So it's a buy market to me from my own perspective. This is what I'll do when it comes to me in this very market. Please, people, I'll really appreciate it if you could like, share, subscribe, click the notification button, drop your comment below, drop your polite comment below. I'll be really happy to receive that. I'll be honored. And please, people, if you want to trade, please trade safe. If you want to learn Forex, if you feel like you want to learn from me, you could try to contact me. If you just want to hear, if you just feel like I'm doing anything that you don't understand, that you believe that is not right, okay, you could call me and let me know. You could drop a comment in the comment section below. I'll really appreciate it. But I'm just looking at this. I'm just looking at this. I believe I didn't make any mistake. I'm not biased. I'm not worried about that. But from what I could see, I did not make any mistake here. So yeah. So I'm gonna leave it like that for now. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it like this for now. Get it? So I'll bring this here. I'll bring this here. No. Okay. This is how I did it. No. So this is what I see in the market. Please let me know what you see. Let me know what you think, please. Please, people, I really appreciate it. For now, at least, Please, I'll really appreciate it if you could like, share, subscribe, click the notification button, and please let me know what you think about the market. I'll appreciate your polite comment. And please, people, trade safe, trade wise, don't be greedy. Have a good one, and God bless us all. See you in my next video.